What you can see here, these are just 2D symbols, as is the wiring, obviously, but you won't want to see that in 3D, but you probably do want to see some sort of representation in 3D, or at least in your section and elevation views or interior elevations. You want to get those represented in some way, and so the way that we do that is using the wall plate tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my symbol here, it's CAD image switch, and I'm going to go CAD image electrical plate selector, and what that does is it'll bring up a palette showing you a list of the available plates. So we've got a library in the electrical tool that has quite a few plates in it, and what it does is it filters the list of plates available to what makes sense given what you have selected. So with nothing selected, no plates show. As soon as you select this single switch, you get a list of all of the plates that show a single switch. If I had 2 switches here and I selected both of them, you can see the plate selector automatically refilters to show anything with 2 switches in it, and this will show you whatever you like. As you saw earlier, there were multiple other types of symbols in here, so I could say jack point and make, what kind of jack point? Let's go with, let's just put a power point in. Single power point. All right, so if I select the PowerPoint, you can see it's showing me a selection of PowerPoints, and then if I select the PowerPoint and the switch, it shows me things that have just PowerPoints and switches on them. So now, once I've decided which one I want, just double click on it and it converts it into a single element, which is the NZAU PowerPoint times 1 plus 1 switch. And this gives me a nice 3D representation. So if I jump into 3D to have a look at that, you can see we've got a nice 3D representation.